Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the altitude gauge on your DJI Osmo Action 6. When you're diving, you may want to display the altitude gauge, and that is possible by simply sliding down from the top of your screen, settings, then going to depth and altitude, and you can find both diving and hiking and parachuting. Now in diving, you can enable depth display and when the water depth is greater than 1 meter, the camera will automatically display the water depth based on the pressure. And you can also enable auto record once water depth is displayed, and you can also auto stop recording after ending water depth recording. Then hiking and parachuting, you can also enable altitude display and see the relative altitude or absolute altitude, however you want, and that is basically how you can do it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.